Hey! Hey! Yes, you! Are you ready to learn new interesting topics? If yes, then come and join us and learn different emoticons with their corresponding meaning. But wait. Let us first know what the word emoticon means. Emoticons is a group of elements that can be found in our keyboard. This is used to express emotions in a fast manner.
Let me introduce some different emoticons that have the same meaning. Starting off with the first one. All of these emoticons means happy. Let's use it in a scenario. Why do some emoticons have the same interpretation? Because they have the same elements that are identical, making the emoticons look similar. Moving on to the next part of our learning exploration, we also have some single emoticons that has two different meanings. This emoticon can be both means disappointed and angry, and what?
Legas, Kapitan. ¿Qué hiciste? Lo siento, Kapitan. Prometo no volver a hacerlo.
Oh, idiota.
Kapitan, lo siento mucho.
No repitas lo que hiciste. Hello everyone. Are you curious how double capital T can mean something more? It can actually create and cry an emoticon for some reason, or just laughing too hard depending on the context or how it was used. Look at these two breaths.
Sige, maggalang yung ulo na.
Have you noticed how Gen Z uses this emoticon? Sometimes because they are sad, other times it means it's just for the tears of joy, or just they laughing so hard. Funny, right? You ever see this emoticon? It's kinda look cute, right? But here's the twist. It is someone pain from spicy food, or they're just channeling their inner Arden Richards.
Hey! That Arden Richard pose.
It's not recharge. I just ate something spicy.
Oh, I thought you were trying to act like Arden.
See the difference? This emoticon can mean someone relieving spicy, or they're just doing Alden Richards first. That's why this emoticon went viral among college students.
Another question for you. This time, what do you think do one emoticons have different meanings? Because of the user's different perspectives and the use of the context.
Are you having fun learning with us? Don't worry, we have more emoticons that might be unfamiliar with you. Emoticon means confused or puzzled. Take a look at this.
Excuse me? Excuse me? You dropped your iPhone 16 Pro Max.
What?
Oh, are you done watching? Well, this next emoticon means pooping, or what we call the nature's calling. Take a look at this.
Where are you?
Sorry,
You've left for
girl,
a
but
while.
I have
That's
to
what's about
finish
to start
this.
na.
I'll call you back later.
I am a madman and a danger in my mind.
There are other worlds keeping it. The heaven and earth collide. I do not know where I am. Do you love me? That's not the life that you want, Charlotte. George, nobody wants that. George, I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me? I love you. From the moment I saw you go over the wall, I have loved you desperately. I cannot breathe when you are not near. I love you, Charlotte. My heart calls your name.
Now, emoticons are like tiny treasure map for your feeling. One quick glance and boom, you know right away if someone's feeling happy, sad, or totally heart-cracked. But in a formal writing such as research, script, and movie plays, they don't quite belong. As actors, directors, and readers need expressive words to convey what is the writing is expressing and
Did you enjoy our little tour? Well, it's not over yet. Let us first discuss the reason why we use different eras to portray emoticons. Well, it's simple. If we think about it creatively, emotions are also used in older generation, giving us the idea that we can also use it to portray emoticons in a fun way. Now, before this video ends, let us share the pros and cons of using an emoticon.
Starting with the pros, first emoticon humanize your content. It can add some warmth and personality to your message. Second, can save space when you want to keep your message short but full of emotions. Will you start using emoticons? But wait. When there's pros, we also have cons.
Emoticons may not be appropriate for all content, while emoticons can be fun to look at. They may not be suitable for all types of content, especially for serious conversation. Emoticon can be misinterpreted. As we know, we are different people, so we have different perspective. Some emoticons may be unfamiliar, with others causing misunderstanding. Did you enjoy your learnings today? It is important to know the pros and cons of using emoticons so that we will know when to use it.
That ends our lesson about emoticons. We've learned that emoticons are more than just symbols. They help us to show our feelings, make our messages clearer, and add emotion to what we say online. As the saying goes, a small symbol can express a big emotion. Thank you for listening, and always remember to use emoticons wisely and appropriately in your conversations.